So you're going to be able to pick up large items. So you can pick up whole goldfish or pieces of goldfish. It has a floor detection, so it is going to use smart technology to decide how much power it needs and how much suction it needs. You can switch between carpet and hardwood, tile, etc. Check out the DuoFin technology. We've got whole pieces of cereal. We've got broken pieces of cereal, and it's just going to scoop them all up like so. It's an amazing vacuum, and it really does have a lot of power to it.